Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be fit and fine inside your homes. JK Boss finally issued date sheet for you for class 10th and 12th, and there is a reduction of 40% syllabus. You have to prepare only 60% curriculum or syllabus. Dear students, it would be 100 marks question paper, out of which you have to attempt only 60. That will be proportionality raised to 100. Dear students, in these days you have to put extra efforts, you have to do extra hard work to crack the coming examination with ease. You are virtually connected to us, not physically. It is question number 1, exercise 1.3. Very important question, often asked in the board examinations. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number for which I received a phone call. In order to minimize the communication gap, I will solve this question for all students in Kashmiri language. यह छे साबित दिउन करित कि रूट 5 छा irrational number. चूंकि अगर इत कन वस root 5 is irrational number, but we have to prove it. Ashi prove करन यह छा irrational number. Let us suppose to the contrary that root 5 is rational number. I suppose karun kis opposed is contrary means just opposite. Root 5 was a rational number. Therefore, we have two integers a and b. B is not equal to 0, such that a by b is equal to root 5 and a and b are coprimes. Coprimes. Ascore suppose कि root 5 was a rational number. Then the integers a and b is not equal to 0, because rational number is a number that's in the form of p but a q, where q is not equal to 0. It kanan कि a but a b के साथ बराबर root but a 5 is, और a to b कर वो suppose b हमारे coprime numbers. Coprime numbers गए तम numbers having no common factor than 1. A by b is equal to root 5. Do cross multiplication. A is like yapper can zarib when a. B is like root 5 so zarib when b root 5. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So you have to square both sides. Let's square curves both sides. It is a square b root 5 whole square. A square is equal to square to root gets cancel. B square it is 5b square. Root square gets cancel. B square is a square is equal to 5b square. This equation first. It means that a square is divided by 5. Is divided by 5. No matlab go ki a square is divided by 5. And hence a is divided by 5. A is divided by, a square is 5 is divided, a is divided by 1. It is well mentioned in your mathematics book as theorem 1.3. Let's assume, Baker was assume a is equal to 5c for some integer c. Kim integer khater? For some integer c. Now a has barabar 5c is kim integer khater? C khater. वो a इधर बराबर 5c is, put this value in equation first. ये value करो तो equation first समझे. Equation first is equal to a square is equal to 5b square. A बदल द्रावा से 5c backshot square is equal to 5b square. Which whole square 5 5s are 25, c's are c square is equal to 5b square. Or 5b square is barabar 25c square. B square is still barabar 25c square divided by 5. B square is equal to 5 1s are 5 5s are 5c square. 5c square. It means b square is divided by 5, and b is also divided by 5. Divide. Till a is nearest as a and b having common factors as 5. Am nearest till common factor 5 other than 1. So this contradicts the fact. Which contradict that fact is that A and B are co-prime. Which contradict opposed that fact is that A and B are co-primes. So our supposition is wrong. So supposition is wrong. Therefore, root 5 is a rational number and cannot be said that root 5 is a rational number. Dear students, this question got solved for you. In case of any query or confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you post your query by any means, by WhatsApping or by calling, within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared, because I am the teacher available for you around the clock. Dear students, before leaving the class, I am advising you mathematics a technical subject. It needs constant practice. Do practice mathematics inside your homes and also give sufficient time to your rest of your subjects so that you can get through easily. Dear students, my prayers are with you. Do work hard. You will inshallah succeed in coming examination with huge percentage of marks. Thanks. Be balanced.